What's your name?
My full name is MD Swamsajat Niloy. If you comfort, you call me Niloy.
Are you a student?
I am a student of Mymensingh Polytechnical Institute, but right now I am a student of Rahat English Care.
What's your technology?
My technology name is Electrical Engineering.
What do you think? Diploma engineers are respected in your country?
Actually, it's depend on that engineer behavior and that engineer certificate power. If he achieve a very big and strong personality and good result in examination, that time of course
Mhm.
always and all were he respectable.
Well, and do you have a plan to prepare for BUET?
Actually, it's a my small dream. Because I said it's my small dream, the reason is this: my big dream is I'm going abroad and completed my higher study from there.
Do you use a mobile phone
Actually, I using mobile phone too much. I need very much this. I have already three mobile phone available right now.
right now?
Yeah.
If I tell you you have to live 1 month without mobile phones, can you do that?
Actually, I never think about this, but I think it's not possible for me
It's not possible
because
for you.
without mobile phone I don't lead 1 minute, 1 second. I
Well,
think I addicted
you
already.
have
I
been
addicted.
addicted
Yeah, yeah.
to
I have
using mobile
addicted.
phones.
Yeah, yeah.
So do you think that and you should remove this addiction?
Yes, sometimes I realize I addicted these things, but I don't know how I avoid this.
What do you usually do with your mobile phones?
Actually, I have a big Facebook page. The page name is MD Swam Sachat,
Mhm.
and I have three IDs available. That's why I get time.
Do you prefer using public transports or private transports?
I'm usually use private transport
Private
because
transports.
public transport have many kind of problem.
Do you think that private transportations are the main causes of traffic jam?
Actually, I think no, because private transport don't create any kind of problem and don't create without any reason. They don't make jam.
What types of transports do the people of your country like to use?
People like public transport because if they going this using this transport, that
Mhm.
time they have not have much money. That's why money is the big reason.
In your opinion, who talks more, girls or boys?
Of course, girls, because they don't understand anything, but always talk about that.
Without understanding the real thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Well,
yeah.
do you have any girlfriend?
Yeah, I have one girlfriend.
Is she the only girlfriend in your life?
No, I have passed many girlfriend, but
Many girlfriends.
yeah,
How many girlfriends did you have?
personal. But I share with you like 100.
My goodness, really?
Yeah, I have
Is it
proof.
possible?
Yeah, I have proof.
How come? You have proof.
Yeah, in
Oh
my mobile
my
phone, but it's
goodness.
personal. It's totally personal. I don't show
You
anything.
have really made me disappointed. Thank you. May Allah bless you, and I wish you, I can say, a successful and a peaceful life.
Yes, I pray for me.
Of course.